If you want to see how we've gone from having this receiver to having this one that's much more light and cozy, don't miss the following video. Here we see what the recipient was like before. It was not bad, but with no natural light the feeling was dark.
Here we see the sink below.
That while it's not the main theme of the video, I teach it too. So you can see the before and the after. And we can see the floor with this tile placement.
That's me.
I particularly liked it, but in the end it was covered with
Vinyl floor, like.
we'll see later, and it looked pretty good. We're on. Taking everything you could stop, paint white and give a more luminous feeling. We took the lamp off and changed it for this one with more light spots, which we left from when we put the fan in the bedroom. The doors were removed and lowered to lay the vinyl floor. I first tried a little carpenter's garlop, but you have to have a very sharp tool and know how to use it, and I work. So I decided to cut them with one Caladora and a saw. New 4, make it cut well.
Then I sanded them with a belt sander.
Then we removed all the metal parts from the doors and frames. And after the CAD inspection, we painted them black color to make a nice contrast. We did all this by taking advantage of the drying times of the doors, since we paint them in color. White with this gun, no compressor needed. First he was given 2 primer hands, and then 2 white paint hands to stop doors. We put the painted parts and see the contrast of the white. It looks great in black. We liked the vase we had in the entrance, and we didn't want to change it, so we painted it to give it a different style. And the furniture in the entrance, we improved it by sanding it well and removing the debris, milling to round, straight parts, and painting the shooters looked much better.
Nice.
And the final rosin was to lay vinyl floor. We put it all over the entrance, kitchen and bathroom. Like the doors, I cut them, so they don't rub it on the floor. Vinyl, the shielded door of the entrance. We had to lift her up with these washers.
Y entra. Perfecto. Ahora perfecto.
We painted the socket as we didn't want to do any work.
Here we see the final finishing touches on the ground.
And we'll see the result. End of change. Up to the right, I put like it was before and as big as it is now.
I leave in the description, everyone, links to the work done.
I hope you see them and like them. What if you like this video? I hope you give me like it and subscribe to the channel. Greetings and see you in the next video.